10 Amish cleaning hacks for a spotless home in minutes. There's something about an Amish home. Ever been inside one? It smells clean, but not the overpowering, artificial kind of clean. It's fresh, it's simple, and it's spotless. The Amish don't believe in fancy store-bought cleaners. No, they rely on what's been working for generations. Natural, homemade, effective solutions. Their secrets? Stuff you probably already have in your kitchen. So, if you want a home that gleams without drowning in chemicals, read on. 1. White vinegar. The magic elixir for every surface. Vinegar. It's the closest thing to magic in a bottle. The Amish swear by it. It cleans. It disinfects. It deodorizes. No streaks. No sticky residue. Just clean. They mix equal parts white vinegar and water, stored in a reused glass bottle. Because wastefulness? That's not the Amish way. And use it on everything: windows, countertops, floors, even wooden furniture. For stubborn stains? They warm it up a little, let it sit, then wipe away years of grime in seconds. No scrubbing, no hassle, just clean, fresh surfaces that smell like nothing. Exactly how it should be. 2. Baking soda. Amish deodorizing secret. Ever walk into an Amish kitchen? There's no artificial fragrance. No fake lemon-scented sprays. Yet, somehow it smells neutral. That's because baking soda is quietly working its magic. It sits in an open box inside the fridge, absorbing odors you didn't even know were there. It's sprinkled over carpets before vacuuming. It's scrubbed into sinks and bathtubs, lifting stains like they were never there. Mix it with vinegar, you get a foamy, fizzing reaction that scrubs away dirt without a single harsh chemical. Cheap, simple, works like a charm. 3. Handmade soap. The Amish answer to store-bought cleaners. The Amish make their own soap. Not because they have to, but because it's better. No sulfates, no unnecessary chemicals. Just pure, effective cleaning power. They use it for dishes, laundry, even mopping floors. The secret? A bar of grated Amish soap dissolved in hot water. That's it. Want extra strength? A little borax or washing soda does the trick. Clothes come out clean. Floors? Spotless. And the smell? Pure and simple, just the way they like it. 4. Cornstarch. The little-known Polish for a streak-free shine. Most people don't think of cornstarch as a cleaner. The Amish do. They mix it with water to polish glass and mirrors, leaving behind a streak-free shine that no store-bought cleaner can match. They rub it into greasy fingerprints on stainless steel appliances. They even use it to freshen up musty-smelling fabrics. It's a gentle abrasive, yet tough on dirt. Weird? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. 5. Lemons. Amish disinfectant straight from nature. Lemons aren't just for lemonade. The Amish use them like a secret weapon against dirt and bacteria. Slice one in half. Rub it over wooden cutting boards. Goodbye, stains and odors. Mix the juice with salt. You get an unbeatable cleaner for copper and brass. Let lemon peels sit in vinegar for a few weeks. Now you have a homemade, all-purpose cleaner that cuts through grease like a knife. And that smell? Pure citrus. No fake fragrances needed. 6. Cast iron pans. The no-soap cleaning rule. If you're washing your cast iron with soap, stop. The Amish don't. They use coarse salt instead. A handful of cloth, a little scrubbing, food bits wipe right off. If it's extra stuck, a splash of boiling water does the trick. Once it's clean, they dry it immediately. Then a thin coat of oil. That's the secret to keeping it non-stick, rust-free, and lasting for generations. A well-seasoned cast iron pan? That's not just a kitchen tool. That's an heirloom. 7. Boiling water. The Amish drain cleaner that costs nothing. Drains clog. It happens. Most people grab a bottle of toxic chemicals. The Amish? They grab a kettle. Boiling water poured straight down the drain melts grease, breaks up gunk, and flushes everything away. 4 tough clogs. They dump in baking soda first, then vinegar. Let fizz, then pour in the boiling water. Works every time. And no nasty fumes. No corroded pipes. Just clear drains. 8. Dry brushing. The Amish way to sweep dust without a vacuum. Ever notice how dust just settles? The Amish do. That's why they dry brush. No water. No mops. Just a stiff bristled brush and a little elbow grease. They sweep floors, walls, even upholstery this way. It works. Dust, pet hair, crumbs gone in minutes. No need for fancy vacuums or disposable wipes. Just good old-fashioned sweeping. It's simple, it's effective, and it keeps their homes dust-free without wasting a drop of water. 9. Essential oils. The Amish alternative to air fresheners. Air fresheners? The Amish don't need them. Instead, they use essential oils. A few drops of lavender on a cotton ball, tucked into a drawer. Clothes stay fresh. Peppermint oil on a rag near the garbage bin. Odors disappear. Tea tree oil in homemade cleaners. Bacteria? Gone. No artificial scents. No aerosol sprays. Just pure, natural freshness. Simple. Effective. Completely Amish approved. 10. Sunlight and fresh air. The Amish's oldest trick. No chemical cleaner in the world can beat sunlight. The Amish know this. That's why they hang clothes, blankets, even mattresses outside. The sun bleaches stains, kills bacteria, eliminates odors. Fresh air circulates through their homes, clearing out mustiness. They open windows, let the breeze in, and suddenly, the house feels lighter, cleaner, more alive. It's the simplest cleaning trick of all, and it's completely free. So there you have it. 10 Amish cleaning hacks that keep their homes spotless, without a single store-bought chemical. No gimmicks, no nonsense. Just tried and true methods passed down for generations. Want a cleaner home? Maybe it's time to clean like the Amish.